Welcome everyone, let's access brightness on our iPhone. So in order to do this, there are multiple methods. So if you have an iPhone without the home button, get one finger and you're going to slide down from the top right hand side, not the middle, top right hand side, and the control center will be activated. On an iPhone with the home button, just slide up from the bottom upwards. Do keep in mind this may take multiple attempts to do, and you'll see here the control center will show up. So from here, you now have the brightness toggle, and you can slide this with your finger to lower the brightness, slide up to increase the brightness. If you want more precise brightness controls, long press, where you see this little oval, long press, and then you have this more precise brightness slider. You will also have the options for dark mode, night shift, and true tone as well. The second way is you go to the settings app, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see here display and brightness, tap on this one, and you see where brightness is, you can change this toggle right here. If you're wondering what true tone is, this will change the color of your iPhone depending on the background environment. So if you're around orange lighting, your iPhone will be a bit more orange tinted. If you're around blue lighting, you'll be around more blue tint. Now, here is the deal. What if you want to disable or enable auto brightness? So let's say I'm in a dark situation, I put my phone next to the light. Usually what happens is over time the brightness of the iPhone will go up. Let me see if I can try and get that to work here. And it's not working when I'm recording, but you probably experienced where you have the brightness low and it just keeps on going up or down, and it's a bit annoying. So in order to disable auto brightness, you go to settings and you want to find here accessibility, and then from here display and text size, select this one, go all the way to the bottom, and where you see here auto brightness will be on by default. Just tap on the toggle and now auto brightness will be off. So what that means is, depending on the environment, the brightness will not go up or down. I honestly find auto brightness to be more useful because if I'm in my regular house and I go outside and it's sunny, then I can't see the screen at all, and auto brightness will not help me see the screen as it's off. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.